Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Patreon's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable your dark mode on Patreon, firstly go ahead and launch open your Patreon application. The home page of Patreon application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the pop-up, tap on Settings option. You will end up on the settings page of your Patreon's account. Click on Appearance. Click on Dark option to enable dark mode on Patreon quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.